Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn guitar music theory. We will begin by exploring fundamental concepts, starting with intervals. Understanding intervals, like a major third or a perfect fifth, is crucial for recognizing relationships between notes. Then, we'll move to the major scale, a cornerstone of Western music, and see how it lays the groundwork for countless melodies and chords. Let's simplify scales and chords. Start by mastering the C major scale, which has no sharps or flats, making it an excellent starting point. From this scale, you can derive many basic chords like C major, F major, and G major. Practicing arpeggios, which are broken chords, will help you hear and visualize the individual notes that make up these harmonies. Ear training is vital for internalizing music theory. Focus on distinguishing intervals by their unique sound. For example, a perfect fourth sounds stable, while a tritone sounds dissonant. Connect these sounds to their physical locations on the guitar fretboard. Try singing simple melodies and then finding those notes, reinforcing your aural and visual connection. Now, let's apply what you've learned. Take a simple song and try to identify its chord progression and the scale it uses. Then, experiment with improvising over a backing track using the scales and arpeggios you've practiced. Consistent review, even for just 10 to 15 minutes daily, will significantly deepen your understanding and make theory second nature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.